welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn how to make capital G. This is capital G. G for grapes. G for grapes. And we will learn how to make G with colorful beads. We will start with yellow color. G. We will make a curve. G. Purple color. Purple color. G. Light pink color. Light pink color. Pink color. Pink color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Blue color. Blue color. Light pink color. Light pink color. G. Pink color. Pink color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Purple color. Now we will make a small sleeping line. G. So this is letter G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Very good, children. Now tell me, hurry up, what comes after G? H. Yes, very good. Good job. Now in next video we will learn how to make H with these colorful beads. Till then keep learning. Bye bye kids.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share